Hello everyone, welcome to this video on forecasting in Bold BI. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to enable and configure forecasting for future, seasonal, non-seasonal, and predictive data to transform business decisions. Forecasting helps predict future data trends by analyzing past and present data. You can use this data to plan and make decisions, improving global innovative tech. Forecasting is supported for numeric data types like dates, times, days, months, or years, and it's available in the line and spline charts, with a single measure field and a single column field. Forecasting is not supported when data is assigned in a column under the tooltip container, drill-down feature, master filter activation, and property section under legend and tooltip customization. Now, let's see how to enable and configure the forecast. On the design page, add a data source with numeric data. Click the data source icon. Select Use Existing and choose Sales Analysis Data. Then click Add. Once the data source is added, drag and drop the line chart to the canvas and resize. Select the Properties icon in the top right corner and navigate to the Assign Data tab. Add values and columns. Then go to the Properties section. Update the name to Sales by Year. In the Forecast Settings panel, enable the checkbox, and you can see the chart updated with a forecast for the upper and lower bound data points. If you disable it, the feature will not be shown. Next, configure the data points. It predicts values for future periods based on historical trends. By default, the number of data points is 10, but you can customize it to whichever number you need. For this example, I'll change it to 5. Next, configure the confidence setting. Confidence is the degree of certainty in the predicted values, or the probability that the actual future value will fall within the upper and lower bounds around the forecast line. This gives you a sense of risk or uncertainty in the prediction as a confidence interval. For this example, I'll change it to 90%. Next, configure the legend text. It shows the names of the forecast's lower and upper bounds. By default, it is named, but you can customize it. For this example, I'll leave this setting as is. Next, configure seasonality. This helps the forecast model adjust for predictable fluctuations like increased sales during holidays or lower activity during off-seasons. By default, it automatically predicts based on the data input and can be customized. For this example, I'll leave this setting as is. After you finish customizing your forecast, select Apply to update the changes. Next, you can enable, disable, or customize the forecast line if needed. For this example, I'll change the forecast color. Next, you can enable, disable, or customize the confidence if needed. For this example, I'll change the confidence color. Lastly, you can change the style of the confidence band, the upper and lower bound data points, by selecting Fill, Line, or Dot in the drop-down. It defines how the upper and lower bounds of the forecast are shown, making it easier to interpret the confidence interval. For this example, I'll choose Fill. Let's preview the dashboard. You'll see the forecast successfully configured. Now, you can draw solutions from your business's forecast data. In this tutorial, I have shown you how to enable and configure forecasting in Bold BI. To learn more about Bold BI, you can visit boldbi.com. Start a 30-day free trial by clicking the Try It Free option. If you want a demo from an expert, you can schedule a call by clicking the Request Demo button. If you found this video helpful, click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you for watching.